The black hole. Temperature Interactive Calculator computes fundamental thermodynamic properties of black holes based on Hawking radiation theory. Let's explore the input fields. First, we have a drop-down menu called Select Calculation Mode with 6 options. Calculate temperature from mass, calculate mass from temperature, calculate evaporation, lifetime from mass, calculate Hawking luminosity from mass, calculate entropy from mass, and calculate power and mass loss rate. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate temperature from mass. Next is the mass unit dropdown with 3 choices: solar masses, kilograms, or earth masses. I'll select solar masses. The temperature unit offers Kelvin or nanokelvin. I'll keep it in Kelvin. Finally, there's an input field for black hole mass where you enter your value. For our example, I'll enter 10 solar masses and click Calculate Black Hole Properties. The calculator returns 6 results. Hawking temperature is 6.170 E9 Kelvin. Extremely cold is expected for stellar mass black holes. Schwarzschild radius equals 2.953 E plus 4 meters, or about 30 kilometers. Bekenstein-Hawking entropy shows 1.4482 E plus 56 joules per Kelvin. Hawking luminosity is an incredibly dim 9.008 E 31 watts. The evaporation lifetime spans 2.096 E plus 70 years, far exceeding the universe's age. Finally, mass loss rate is 1.002 E 47 kilograms per second, essentially negligible. This tool helps engineers understand black hole thermodynamics quantitatively. Find the link in the description below.